right, today we are going to work on adding with partial sums. So that means we're going to be taking the sums, which is the answer to our addition problem, and we're going to be breaking it apart into different pieces. So we're just going to dive right in. We're starting with 248 plus 345. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my hundreds, then I'm going to add my tens, and add my ones and put them all together. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. So I have 200 plus 300, and that's going to give me 500. And then I'm going to add to it whatever my tens are. So my tens are 40 plus 40, which is going to give me 80. And if I add 500 plus 80, it will give me 580. So I'm going to take that answer and add to it whatever I add for my ones. 8 plus 5 gives me 13. So I have 580 plus 13 equals 593. So I added my hundreds, my tens, and my ones to get my answer. Let's look at it another way. Here I have 265 plus 478. I'm going to divide this into my hundreds, tens, and ones. Oops. Lots of oops in this one. First, I'm going to add my hundreds. 200 plus 400 is going to give me 600. And then I'm going to add my tens. 60 plus 70. And if I add 60 plus 70, I'm going to get 130. I'm going to go ahead and add those numbers together. 6 and 1 is 7. 0 and 3 is 3. 0 and 0 is 0. So I've got 730. And now I'm going to add my ones. 5 plus 8 is going to give me 13. Add that together, and I have 743. So again, I added my hundreds, I added my tens, and then I added my ones, and put it all together to get my answer of 743. So let's take a look at our steps. First step is you add your hundreds and get your answer. Next, you add your tens and get an answer. And finally, you add your ones and get an answer. And then you add your hundreds, tens, and ones all together to get your final answer. So that's adding with partial sums.